Did you know that a staggering 99% of Warren Buffett's net worth was earned after his 50th birthday? It sounds unbelievable, but it's mathematically true. If you look at his timeline, for the vast majority of his life, he was just a regular wealthy person. He didn't become a billionaire until his hair turned completely gray. Why does this matter to you? Because we live in a culture that worships the 30 under 30 lists. We feel like failures if we aren't millionaires by 25. But the reality of real, sustainable wealth is that it's a long game. The massive numbers you see today are just the result of a snowball that has been rolling for 80 years. You aren't late. You just haven't let your snowball roll long enough.
Every financial guru on TikTok or YouTube tries to sell you a shortcut. They tell you the secret is day trading crypto, flipping houses, or finding the next Tesla before it explodes. But here is the hard truth. Chasing fast money is exactly why most people stay broke. When you zoom out and look at the chart of true wealth building, it doesn't look like a jagged line of wins and losses. It looks like a flat, boring line for a very long time. And then, suddenly, it shoots up vertically like a rocket. This is called the hockey stick curve. The hardest part is surviving that flat line without quitting. Most people quit right before the curve goes up. You need to understand that boredom is not a bug in the system, it's a feature.
So, how do we survive the boredom? Today, we aren't just throwing random tips at you. We are going to build the wealth triangle. This is your blueprint. It has 3 specific sides: time, system, and mindset. If you ignore even one side, the whole structure collapses, and you're back to the rat race working for money instead of making money work for you. Most people focus only on the system, which stock to buy, but they completely ignore the mindset and time. Without a strong psychological foundation, you will panic and sell the moment the market drops. Let's build this triangle together, starting with the most misunderstood concept, time.
Let's introduce 2 characters to explain this. First, meet Nervous Nick. Nick checks his portfolio 5 times a day, reads every news headline, and tries to time the market. He is stressed, and his returns are eaten up by trading fees and taxes. Now, meet Lazy Larry. Larry put $10,000 into the market in 1990 and literally forgot his password. He hasn't looked at it in 30 years. Guess who wins? Larry wins by a landslide. This is the magic of passive investing. In the world of finance, effort does not equal results. Often the less you do, the more you make. It's about setting up a system that works while you're sleeping, traveling, or playing video games.
This brings us to the snowball effect. Imagine pushing a small snowball down a very long hill. At the top, it's tiny and slow. You have to push it hard. But as it rolls, it grabs more snow. Eventually, it becomes a monster that no one can stop. Warren Buffett didn't get rich because he's a genius stock picker, although he is smart. He got rich because he started his snowball when he was 11 years old and never stopped it. The biggest mistake you can make is interrupting the snowball. Buying a new car you don't need or cashing out for a wedding stops the momentum. When you withdraw your principal early, you aren't just spending that cash, you are killing the millions of dollars that money would have generated over the next 20 years.
But wait, I can hear you asking, I'm not Warren Buffett. I don't know how to pick stocks. Good news, you don't have to. Buffett's advice for 99% of people is actually very simple. Don't try to find the needle in the haystack. Just buy the whole haystack. This is what we call an index fund, like the S&P 500. When you buy this, you are buying a tiny piece of the top 500 companies in America. If Apple goes down, maybe Microsoft goes up. The losers fall off the list and are replaced by new winners. It is a self-cleansing system. Statistics show that over a 15-year period, more than 90% of professional hedge fund managers failed to beat the market index. So why try to be smarter than the pros? Be the market.
The second side of the triangle is the system, specifically dollar-cost averaging. Here is the problem with humans. We are emotional creatures. When the market crashes, we get scared and stop investing. When the market is at an all-time high, we get greedy and buy. That is the opposite of buy low, sell high. The only way to fix this is to remove your human brain from the equation. Set up an automatic transfer from your bank account the day your paycheck hits. Make it automatic.
Treat it like a tax or a rent payment. If the money leaves your account before you see it, you won't miss it. This creates discipline without needing willpower. Now for the mindset side, the punch card rule. Buffett once said, "I could improve your ultimate financial welfare by giving you a ticket with only 20 punches in it, so that you get 20 punches representing all the investments that you get to make in a lifetime." Think about that. If you were only allowed to make 20 investment decisions in your entire life, would you waste a punch on a risky meme stock? Would you gamble on something you don't understand? No, you would research deeply, and you would only buy things you are willing to hold forever. Scarcity forces quality. Stop treating the stock market like a casino and start treating it like a serious partnership.
We are almost done, but you need to know your biggest enemy. It isn't a stock market crash. It isn't a recession. It is the silent killer called inflation. Every single year, the cost of living goes up, which means the value of the cash sitting in your savings account goes down. If you are waiting for the right time to start investing, you are actually losing money every single day. Holding cash is risky. Time in the market always beats timing the market. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't let the inflation monster eat your hard-earned future.
So, you have the knowledge, but knowledge without action is just entertainment. I don't want you to just watch this video and move on. I want you to change your life. Here is your 24-hour challenge. Close this video right now. Log into your bank app or brokerage account. Take 10, 20, or whatever you can afford and set up an automatic recurring investment into a broad index fund. Do it today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow turns into next week, and next week turns into never. Your future self is begging you to press that button. Comment "Challenge accepted" down below if you're in. See you at the top.